Want to turn your travel dreams into reality without the hassle? Check out how Emma did it with AI tools. Emma, a travel enthusiast from New Zealand, found the secret sauce to hassle-free travel AI tools. With Hopper, she snagged the best flight deals, Airbnb, personalized stays that felt like home, and TripIt, it kept her itinerary organized and stress-free. These tools didn't just save her time, they saved her money too. Inspired, Emma started a travel blog. She reviewed AI tools and shared personalized itineraries with her readers. Traffic soared and engagement skyrocketed, but she didn't stop there. She monetized her blog with affiliate links from Skyscanner and Booking.com, raking in over $6,000 a month. Want to simplify your travel planning with AI? Visit our blog for more tips and start your journey today.